Hi guys, it's Michelle Knight from Miss Bookkeeping, and in this video I wanted to show you how to transfer a business name from one entity to another. So a common example might be you've restructured from say a sole trader to a company, and your business name is different to say your company name, so you want to get that transferred across. Another common example is maybe you've sold your business and you want that specific business name to transfer over to the new business owner. So in this situation, there's been a restructure. So the business name obviously needs to move across to the new entity. In this situation, it's a sole trader to company restructure. First step, you'll log into your ASIC Connect portal, and I'll quickly do that now. I'll make sure that everything's blanked out for privacy reasons. So we'll quickly log in. In this entity, they've got a couple different business names, but we are going to navigate up to business details so we can pick the name that we want to transfer across to the new entity. If I'm having a quick look, it is the business name at the bottom that needs to be transferred. So we'll go ahead and click that. It gives us a summary of what's going on here, you know, where the address is, email, who holds the business name, so on and so forth. So we actually want to change the holder details. So if we go ahead and select change details under business name holder details, we will get to this screen. So we've got two lodgements and notifications area. I'll actually just check the business details as a general thing. I mean, you can navigate to that straight away, but I thought I would just show you around a little bit in the ASIC portal. I will select the business name that I want to transfer. So it's this bottom one here. And then in the drop down, we have a few different options where you can change a whole lot of details. In this case, we're actually just transferring the business name. Here we have two options. Do we want to cancel? No, we definitely do not. The business still exists. We would like to transfer it. Okay, so let's have a quick read of this together. Make sure that your business email address is correct before submitting this transaction, because essentially you'll transfer it to whomever's going to hold it, and they'll have, you know, separate email address, and we're just going to make sure that it goes to the right place. They'll also send you like a secure transfer number, and that's really important to get. So it has to go to the right email address. You'll get a secure transfer number, and then that will essentially enable the new entity or the new business owner to transfer that across to their entity. Just checking, you know, there's a few handy links in there if you wanted to read that further, and just checking that we definitely have the right business name. Awesome. So just having a quick read of this. Yep, cool. We're ticking that. I've read through this, yep, and I'm the business name, or the business, selecting that in the business holder. Awesome, so we've now processed the application where the business name is transferred. We'll send the secure transfer number, we will get the secure transfer number, which then we will give to the new business. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna print this transaction, and I also like to just keep a little screenshot or print PDF of that. So in front of me, I've got the email that comes directly from ASIC, and I wanted to show you what the transfer letter looks like. So I'm going to open that up, and basically it's saying, you know, you've requested the transfer of said business name, and what it has is a transfer number. Now this number is really important and needs to be given to the person who you're transferring the business name to, or you'll actually use this yourself if you're just restructuring to transfer that business name to the new entity. There's a deadline to transfer the business name in, which is 4 months, and that's pretty much it. So this is the important document that I was mentioning, that the email needs to be correct, so it comes to you to then give to the new business owner, or obviously complete the transfer steps. I believe that's everything in this video. So if you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. We'll help where we can. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.